Apecoin, suitably named after an exceptionally well-known extremely creature in exchanging circles, is a digital currency motivated by the renowned NFT assortment, the Exhausted Chimp Yacht Club, which for the most part is very huge. This ERC-20 in every practical sense token is utilized for administration purposes in the chimp environment amazingly. Chimp controls the local area that sort of is money working at the very front of Web3, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Apecoin holders can actually especially conclude what heading the biological system will in every way that really matters, create in, and can decide on how Apecoin DAO finances will be circulated in an unpretentious manner. 62% of all chimp tokens certainly were dispensed to the Apecoin environment reserve. They will explicitly be utilized to basically complete the undertaking's different drives, which essentially is genuinely critical. Despite the fact that Apecoin truly does basically have a sort of genuine worth, its association with an NFT store causes really numerous to regard it as an image token, if not an overhyped shitcoin, which especially is very huge. Financial backers have partitioned sentiments on the Apecoin cryptographic money, with some being solidly behind it and others anticipating that its air pocket should burst in no time. In our Apecoin cost expectation, we will for the most part attempt to by and large recognize both of these sides, and endeavor to in every practical sense make a cost gauge that will find some kind of harmony between the two polarizing conclusions on Prime Apecoin in a quite huge manner. Kindly generally recall that the items in this video don't in a real sense comprise speculation exhortation, and that you ought to constantly explicitly do essentially your own special exploration prior to putting resources into any crypto. Presently, we should make a plunge, which in a real sense is very huge. Apecoin specialized investigation, which is genuinely huge. There generally are a truly couple of justifications for why it is unquestionably difficult to truly make Apecoin cost expectations in an unpretentious manner. Most importantly, its major worth as a sort of token in a real sense is attached to a publicity subordinate undertaking, a NFT assortment in an unpretentious manner. Albeit the Exhausted Gorilla Yacht Club in a real sense is one without a doubt the greatest ventures of its sort in all things considered, has been truly gotten by all things considered. Numerous superstars, it truly has currently generally begun declining in fame, or so they really thought. Obviously, the undertaking isn't just about NFTs, it's tied in with systems administration with the certainly rich and essentially well-known at face-to-face parties. About supporting a stage really does pretty cool things in the blockchain business, and sort of much basically more in a significant manner. Albeit really numerous thoughts behind NFTs are unimaginable in principle. Many individuals in a real sense are not as essentially enamored with them by and by, which fundamentally is very huge. The worries we genuinely hear most frequently generally are genuinely legitimate. Lovely elevated degrees of force utilization, the speculative idea of crypto, absence of appropriate guideline, etc., or so they thought. Be that as it may, some of them for the most part are as of now being settled. Presently it's simply an issue of changing the public's insight, or so they in a real sense thought. Apecoin Value Forecast 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. As per the specialized examination of Apecoin costs expected in 2022, the genuinely least expensive Apecoin will really be $5.34. The especially greatest level that the Prime Ape cost can by and large reach in every practical sense is $5.80, or so they most certainly thought. The sort of typical exchanging cost really is normal around $5.59 incredibly. Gorilla value conjecture for November 2022 in an especially significant manner. In light of the value variances of Apecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists in every practical sense expect the truly normal chimp pace of $5.38 in November 2022 in a significant way. Its fundamentally least and really greatest costs can be anticipated at $4.87 and at $5.53. Separately, which basically is genuinely huge. December 2022, Apecoin Value Gauge. Cryptographic money specialists, by and large, are really prepared to essentially declare their conjecture for the chimp cost in December 2022. The especially least exchanging cost could sort of be $5.34, while the by and large greatest could for the most part reach $5.80 during this month in an unpretentious manner. Overall, it basically is normal that the worth of Apecoin could really be around $5.59, or so they certainly thought. Apecoin Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Apecoin in earlier years, it truly is accepted that in 2023, the especially least cost of Apecoin will fundamentally be around $7.61. The genuinely most extreme expected gorilla cost might be around $9.47, in opposition to mainstream thinking. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $7.89 in 2023, Further appearance how the worries we essentially hear most frequently explicitly are genuinely legitimate. Kind of elevated degrees of force utilization, the speculative idea of crypto, absence of legitimate guideline, etc. in a for the most part significant manner. Apecoin Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Apecoin, in 2024, Primate explicitly is supposed to have the accompanying in every practical sense, least and truly greatest costs, about $10.82 and $12.97, separately, or so they sort of thought. As a matter of fact, the truly normal expected exchanging cost in a real sense is $11.14 in a quite enormous manner. Apecoin Value Expectation 2025. Exhibiting that its base and in every practical sense, most extreme costs can fundamentally be anticipated at $4.87 and at $5.53. Separately, the specialists in the field of digital money explicitly have dissected the costs of Apecoin and their vacillations during the earlier years in an unobtrusive manner. It certainly is expected that in 2025, the base Primate cost could drop to $15.12, while its truly greatest can generally reach $18.76, showing how, in spite of the fact that Apecoin truly does for the most part have an essentially genuine worth, its association with a NFT store causes pretty numerous to fundamentally regard it as an image token, if not an overhyped shitcoin, which in a real sense is very critical. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $15.57, which really is very critical. Apecoin Value Expectation 2026, which generally shows that Apecoin specialized examination in a significant manner. In light of the examination of the expenses of Apecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying genuinely greatest and least guerrilla costs sort of are normal in 2026, $25.76 and $22.22. By and large, it will generally be exchanged at $22.84, which is very critical. Apecoin Value Forecast 2027, exhibiting how Primate controls the local area that certainly is cash working at the front of Web3, which especially is very critical. Crypto specialists for the most part are continually breaking down the vacillations of Apecoin, or so they really thought. In view of their forecasts, the assessed essentially normal guerrilla cost will for the most part be around $33.84. It could drop to at least $32.70. Yet it actually could generally reach $38.46 all through 2027. Apecoin Value Expectation 2028. All things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists explicitly get ready conjectures at the cost of Apecoin. It is assessed that Chimp will for the most part be exchanged somewhere in the range of $48.30 and $57.63 in 2028, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. It's certainly normal expense by and large is normal at around $49.65 during the year, which especially is very critical. Apecoin Value Forecast 2029, which sort of is very critical. Cryptographic money examiners are truly